This AI tool is a total game changer. If you want to search all of your images which are circulated online, now you will be able to do it by uploading just one image. Let's see. Open browser and search Hugging Face. Go to first link. Go to spaces. Here you'll see a tile called search your face online. If you don't see it here, just in the search bar search here search your face online. Click on the tile. So here you will be having three different options. First is you can upload your image. Second one is you can capture real-time image by enabling the webcam. Third is you can directly copy paste an image from other sources. So I'll proceed with the first one. I'll upload an image. I'll select this image. This is an AI generated image. So I'll click on search face. As you can see, there are a lot of similar images circulated online on the various platforms. Even URL is mentioned below. You can check all these images. And if you feel you want to remove an image, you can go to URL and just request to remove. Share this tool with friends